Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Coffee Talk. Today, we have a very big, interesting challenge to discuss. Can you live without your mobile phone? Yes, I mean zero screen time for 2 whole days. Let us talk to my wonderful friend Emily and find out how it went. Welcome, Emily. So you actually did a full social media detox last weekend. Is that true?
Yes, Krati, it is true. I decided to log off all my apps on Friday night. I did not touch my phone until Monday morning.
Wow, no phone for a whole weekend? That is so amazing. Was it very difficult for you to give up your phone?
Honestly, yes. At first, it was very hard. On Saturday morning, I looked for my phone every 5 minutes. I felt so lost.
Oh, I know that feeling so well. We always want to check our notifications. What did you do instead of scrolling?
Well, I had so much free time. I cooked a nice breakfast and I read a real book. I did not realize how much time we waste online.
That is so true. We spend hours looking at screens. Did you see any of your friends during this offline time?
Yes, I did. I met my friend Sarah. We had a real face-to-face conversation at a park. No one looked at a phone. It was wonderful.
That sounds beautiful. Did you feel lonely or bored at any point?
Not really. After a few hours, I felt very peaceful. I enjoyed the peace and quiet of the real world.
This is so inspiring. I really need to cut down on my screen time too. My phone is always in my hand.
You should try it. Even just for one day. It helps you relax and enjoy the small things in life.
Maybe I will try it next Saturday. No emails, no Instagram, no TikTok, just real life.
Good luck. You can do it, and you will love it.
Thanks, Emily, and thanks for sharing your story with us today. It was great talking to you.
Thank you for having me, Krati. Happy offline weekend to everyone.
And that is all for today. What about you? Can you live without your phone? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.
All right, everyone, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching English in 3 minutes. Remember, a little English every day makes a big difference. See you in the next episode. Bye!